You can make this super simple charge detector. Just a pencil that's got a nice point on it. And I've got it sitting in a binder clip so I can set it on the table, but you can just hold it. You don't have to have the holder there. And then it's just a little piece of paper. This is an index card. It doesn't have to be stiff. Regular paper will work okay. Not too floppy, but just a little piece of paper cut and folded, and then you're going to balance it. You're going to balance it on the point, okay? And that's it. So then when you charge up a balloon, or anything else you charge, and bring it nearby, let's see what happens. Okay, clearly responding, right? So this is evidence that the charges, there's a field around them. Somehow it's not touching between here and here. So, and we've seen that all the way up, that those charges act over a distance. And that's very important if you go into studying physics. So just something to keep in mind.